Hi, welcome to Study with Demo. Today we are going to see how to access HTML5 data attributes using jQuery attr function and data function. Let's see the demo. First we will see the attr function. Here I created the data attributes of attendance list. Data type, data name, data age, data gender, data attended, data object. We can access these by using attr function. Using attr function, it returns string, everything in string format. The name is a string, gender is a string, age is a string. I am adding 1 to age. It happens to 24 plus 1, 241. It takes like string. Boolean also behaves like string. Everything is in string format by using attr function. Now we are going to see data attribute. If you observe data attribute, here we can see name string, gender string, age is a number. I am adding age plus 1. It is also a number. True false, it is a boolean, and object is in the form of object. This is the difference between attr function and data function. We can see one more difference. Open it and remove the comments. Here I am setting the using attr function. I am setting data name shake and printing using data. See the result. Hey, we can see the Farooq, but I am setting the shake. The difference is it takes from the catchy. The value displays from the catchy. The data function displays the value from the catchy. Now we can see the attr function different. Here you can see the shake. Correct solution using attr function. These are the difference between accessing the HTML5 data attributes using attr function and data function. Thank you for visiting Study with Demo.